Alright, so we're going to show you our black rice water routine, how we make it, how we use it, the difference between black and white rice water, and the salon results. So keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ebony and I'm Erica. And as you saw in the intro, we're going to be showing you guys our black rice water routine. Rice water, as you guys know, is an amazing protein treatment that gives your hair some strength. And the vitamins released from it, especially when you let it sit and ferment, can really nourish your hair and just work into the follicles to get your hair to grow as well. So that being said, our hair is relaxed and keratin treated. And I can just hear the questions now. Wait a minute, you have a keratin treatment, which is essentially a protein treatment. You're doing black rice water, which is also a protein, and your hair is relaxed. See, what happened was, basically our hair, we got a keratin treatment 6 months ago. Keratin lasts about 6 to 9 months, so the keratin is wearing out, so we have a little bit left, but it's now safe to use another protein treatment. Obviously, if I had fresh keratin in my hair or I just got the keratin treatment, I wouldn't be using the black rice water or any rice water or any other protein treatment, because keratin, like Erica said, is essentially a protein treatment. So it's fine now. It's like a little bit left where I can still use another protein treatment to build up some strength. As far as our relaxer goes, we're well beyond our stretch. We're like 18 months in. You guys already know that. If you're new to our channel, we do stretch our relaxer. And we are actually going to go get another relaxer put in, I think sometime in the next couple months. I especially like to put a protein treatment in my hair before I go in and get a relaxer. So I like to build up the strength before the relaxer application. That's just the thing I do. It's just a good habit to get into because I want my hair to be strong, you know, when the relaxer time comes. And by the way, this isn't our first rodeo with rice water. We've used white rice water, made it into a deep conditioner, we use it on our skin, we drink it. So yeah, we'll have all those videos linked below because we did videos on those. We'll have a full playlist. Yeah, we'll have a rice water playlist, and we'll have all those videos linked below. Now, prepping black rice water is pretty much the same as white rice water. I did it in the first video with white rice water that we did, but I'll show you guys again. So this is the night before. Alright, so this is the night before, and I have about a half a cup of black rice in this bowl. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to clean off the black rice. You should definitely do this about 2 or 3 times to get all the toxins off your rice, whether it's organic, whether it's just regular rice or whatever. And after that, I'm just going to, you know, strain it and get the dirty water out. And that clean rice, I'm just going to pour distilled water over top of it. You don't have to use distilled water. It's kind of ideal if you're doing DIY hair products, because distilled water is like a pure form of water, I guess. But some people use tap water. I don't think it makes that big of a difference or it's that big of a deal, but I just like to use distilled water whenever I make any kind of hair products. So yeah, so you just pour distilled water over top of it, and it's ready to go into an airtight mason jar so that it can sit overnight and ferment and smell lovely in the morning. Alright, so we're going to let it sit overnight. This is the fermentation process, and when we do that, a lot of vitamins and amino acids are released in the black rice water, and it also releases this vitamin called inositol. It's like a strong B vitamin that gives your hair strength, and it also metabolizes your hair follicles to get it to grow. So yeah, that's where the whole growth aspect from rice water comes from, and that's why a lot of Chinese and Japanese women have been using it for years. It also releases anthocyanin, which is a strong antioxidant which helps protect your hair from damage. Anytime you use rice water, it's important to use a sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo and conditioner combo. So basically, anytime you use rice water, you have to use a moisturizing sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. I go into detail about that in the very first white rice water video that we did, so go check that out. But for this routine, I'm using the Mona Luce moisturizing sulfate-free shampoo with coconut oil, and I'm just going in with that, and then afterwards I'm going to condition with the moisturizing conditioner. So then after conditioning, I'm going to go and prepare my black rice water for use. If you guys looked at our very first rice water video and we used white rice, the smell was so bad. It smelled so rank. So if you guys remember, I had to drop lavender oil into it to like get the smell to be better, because when you ferment, it's just disgusting. But black rice water, rest assured, has a much more pleasant smell. Alright, so I'm going to strain out the fermented rice water, and then I'm just going to transport that water into a spray bottle. This next step is really important. Make sure you pour regular water into your rice water, because rice water alone is too strong, so you need water to dilute it so it won't damage your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it all over my damp conditioned hair. And if you guys, I don't know if you guys remember last time I did this rice water video, I just dumped my hair into a bowl, or poured the bowl of rice water on my hair. That was a little bit unnecessary. So this spray bottle I got, I'll have it linked below, it's from Amazon. It's easy to just target certain areas of your hair and cover a large section so you can spray it in your roots for growth and just all over the place. So spray away. And then I'm just going to tuck it into a shower cap and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Alright, now after rinsing it out, guys, it is so important that you deep condition to like keep that moisture in. I actually went to Lisa a couple days later. Usually I'll deep condition at home, but I wanted Lisa to deep condition my hair, and I was going to her anyway, so she went ahead and put the deep condition in my hair a couple days later at the salon. And she used the one and only argan oil restorative mask, and that was so moisturizing, felt so good. And after about 15 minutes under the dryer, she just rinsed it out. But yeah, moisture balance is really good for any protein treatment, whether you're doing apogee, which is one of our favorites, if you're doing rice water, or even if you're getting a keratin treatment, because it is protein and it's drying. So you really want to put that moisture back into your hair and to give your hair that balance so that you can get great results. I am in the salon with Lisa after getting my deep condition. You see her saying hi. If you guys want more salon videos, I would definitely do that. Bring it in the salon so you guys can see what she does. But yeah, this was after the rice water. As you can see, it looks good. My hair was just nice and strong and prepped for the next time I go in to see her for a relaxer. But yeah, these are the results from the salon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!